Hi, I am Mr. Oreo and this is Lizzie.
Hi guys, today we are going to make 5 really easy iced teas recipes. So let's start. The first one is the classic black iced tea. First we pour some ice, then black tea. Wait for it to cool down, then some lemon juice, and then some honey for some sweetness and some creativity, and done. Next is the chamomile rose iced tea, which has many benefits. Pour some dry chamomile flower in hot water for 5 minutes. Pour rose syrup, ice, chamomile tea which we made, and pour. Some creativity, and tada, it's again ready. The next thing we are making is blue butterfly iced tea, which is really pretty. Take some dry flowers and put them in the hot water with some plain ice, and remember the blue tea we made. Freeze it and crush it, and then put in the glass. Honey in the water, stir, and this is really rich in antioxidants. It increases weight loss, it controls sugar, and many more benefits. And we need some creativity, and done. Next is the hibiscus iced tea, which is really easy to make. Put some flour in hot water and wait for it to be red, then pour some honey. Put it in ice, and see, it's so easy to make. Anyone can make it easily. It also has many benefits. Next one is mango iced tea, great for summers. Put some sugar, some mango pulp, and then stir it well. Some ice to cool it down, and black tea. Ready. Thanks for watching.